Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Toyota Camry. This captivating Camry is the ideal family sedan. Known for its safety and reliability, it goes above and beyond by offering a spacious, luxurious, connected cabin environment, seductive style, premium craftsmanship, customizable driving modes, and powerful performance to give you a truly inspired driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.